Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how you can change your region on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So as you can see guys, right here you're gonna find your games and applications. Here you're gonna find your game library. If you click on it right here, you're gonna find all of your installed games and applications. So right now if you go here to the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games and also media, and here as you can see guys in the top, you're gonna find search, settings, and your profile icon. If you click on settings right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find accessibility, network, users and accounts, and so on. If you go to users and accounts, right here as you can see guys, you're gonna find account, family, privacy, and so on. Here in account you're gonna find address. If you click on change address, as you can see guys from here, you can change your address. And right now I'm gonna go back and I'm going to show you guys how you can choose or change your region on PlayStation Store. So just go ahead and click on PlayStation Store. Then right here you're gonna find all of the sections. Right here you're gonna find recent release, collections, promotions, or sales, subscriptions, and right here you're gonna find browse. And in the right you're gonna find search, wish list, carts, and here you're gonna find plus. If you click right here, you're gonna find payment method, redeem a code, subscriptions, transaction history, and right here you're gonna find the settings of payment. And right here under it you're gonna find the region settings. Just go ahead and click on it, and then right here as you can see guys, you can change your region. From here you can choose any region that you want, and right here as you can see guys, you can also change the language. Once you finish, go ahead and click on confirm, and then you're gonna be able to change your region on the PlayStation 5. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.